So, another political arrest in the Delhi Liquorgate scam case. The Enforcement Directorate on Friday arrested BRS MLC K Kavitha from her Hyderabad residence in connection with the money laundering case. BRS has called the arrest politically motivated and timed with Lok Sabha polls, they've alleged. Meanwhile, the BJP is saying that the Enforcement Directorate is only doing its job. Here's the detailed report.
The fourth political arrest in the Delhi liquor case. The first from within the Bharat Rashtra Samiti. K Kavitha, a BRS leader and daughter of former Telangana Chief Minister K Chandrasekhar Rao, taken into custody after ED raids at her Hyderabad home. Aam Aadmi Party leaders Manish Sisodia, Sanjay Singh and Vijay Nair had already been arrested in connection with the Delhi liquor policy of 2021-22. which according to the investigating agency provided an exceptional high profit margins for wholesalers and retailers.
K Kavita का डायरेक्ट इन्वॉल्वमेंट थी शराब की पॉलिसी बनवाने में और शराब के लोगों को, साउथ के लोगों को यहाँ लाने में। तो इसलिए आज जो कार्रवाई हुई है, ये कार्रवाई भी बहुत लंबे समय तक हम इंतजार करते थे कि इसमें भी शराब घोटाले में भी इंसाफ मिलेगा।
The ED suspects that Kavitha was part of a lobby called the South Group, involved in the alleged liquor scandal. BRS supporters protested her arrest. The party opposed the move as politically motivated.
तो मोदी जी हैदराबाद में हैं और आप उसको अरेस्ट करना चाहते हैं, क्या दिखाना चाहते हैं? ये केस 1 साल से चल रहा है, इसमें कोई सबूत नहीं है, कहीं कैश पकड़ा नहीं है। ये BRS पार्टी को धमकाने या डराने के लिए काम कर रहे हैं बीजेपी वाले या कांग्रेस वाले मिलकर। हम जो लीगली हमारे सामने जो भी ऑप्शन है उसके साथ लड़ेंगे। हमको पूरा विश्वास है हमारे न्याय व्यवस्था के ऊपर, जरूर हमको न्याय मिलेगा कोर्ट में और असलियत बाहर आ जाएगी।
According to official sources, K Kavitha would be brought to Delhi for questioning. The so-called South Group, according to the probe agency, paid as much as ₹100 crore kickbacks to many Aam Aadmi Party politicians through another accused, Vijay Nair. The ED suspects that the handler of the South Group is a business associate of K Kavitha. The BRS leader has denied wrongdoings and instead accused the BJP-led central government of misusing central agencies in order to get a backdoor entry into Telangana. Bureau Report, India Today.
My colleague Shreya Chatterjee is joining us from outside the Enforcement Directorate office. Shreya, what do we know at the moment? Where is K Kavitha? Medical checkup having been done? Any latest updates?
Paulami, from what's transpiring outside the Enforcement Directorate, you can see that the security ring is right now on standby. And what we are being told here by those who will be facilitating K Kavitha's movement from the ED, that she's yet to be taken out from the Enforcement Directorate and then she will shortly be produced in court. Her medical checkup has already been done and subsequently we will also be seeing the Enforcement Directorate seeking a maximum remand of 10 days in all likelihood is what we are right now learning. So we'll have to wait for a short while as K Kavitha is taken out and then subsequently produced before the court in Rouse Avenue. She is being questioned in the liquor policy scam and then she was arrested yesterday by the ED for her alleged connections in the South Cartel, which was linked to the liquor policy scam, who'd allegedly given kickbacks. And that has subsequently been based on the statements that have been given by Buchi Babu. There were multiple other people who've also been questioned. So we will see the Enforcement Directorate seeking a maximum 10 days remand is what we're learning. Subsequently, K Kavitha's team will also be challenging the arrest is what we do know. So we'll have to wait and watch out what transpires in court today so far as K Kavitha's arrest is concerned.
Okay. As far as the Enforcement Directorate is concerned, do we have a sense of how many days of custody of K Kavitha they'd be seeking from the court?
What we are learning, Paulmi, that in all likelihood, the Enforcement Directorate will be seeking an at least 10-day remand of K Kavitha on the basis of the fact that she needs to be cross-questioned rather, with the others who have been arrested and accused in the case. And also, there have been seizures that have been made by the Enforcement Directorate. In the Panchnama yesterday, the ED mentioned that at least 5 phones have been seized. So there will be forensic evidence that has to be based on the electronic evidence that they have gathered. That will then be corroborated with K Kavitha. Apart from that, there are allegedly incriminating documents that have been gathered by the Enforcement Directorate that directly links the money trail. So these are all the questions that K Kavitha will be facing by the ED, is why the ED will seek an at least 10 days remand, is what we are learning as of now.
Okay, so the ED expected to seek at least 10 days remand of K Kavitha. Any update, Shreya, as far as K Kavitha's legal team is concerned? Because they'd suggested that they would be challenging the arrest before the Supreme Court, at least seeking an urgent hearing from the Apex Court today.
Well, the reason, Paulmi, is that K Kavitha's legal team suggests that her arrest is not legally attainable because she had no coercive action against her till the matter was actually heard. So that is what K Kavitha's team is suggesting. But we'll have to see that what the Enforcement Directorate has to say and why they pressed arrest in this particular case. In all likelihood, there is a possibility that the Enforcement Directorate must have come across some fresh evidence based on which the action was taken by the law enforcement agency. But we'll have to wait and watch on what transpires, and if at all there is any relief given to K Kavitha after her arrest has already been made. But clearly the Enforcement Directorate will be seeking the maximum possible custody. 10 days maximum is what we're learning as of now.
Okay. Shreya Chatterjee, they're tracking all those developments outside the Enforcement Directorate office. We'll, of course, come back to her as soon as K Kavitha is brought out from the ED office and taken to court.